Hello everyone, welcome back to Black X Studio. We are back again with a very interesting AI feature, so stay tuned to watch that. Microsoft is announcing a new AI-powered Copilot for its Microsoft 365 apps and services today. It is designed to assist people with generating documents, email presentation and much more. The Copilot powered by GPT-4 from OpenAI will sit along Microsoft 365 apps much like an assistant appearing in a slide bar as a chatbot. Microsoft 365 users will be able to summon Copilot to provide information on upcoming Microsoft team meetings, preparing people with updates on related projects, organization changes like recent hire, or even update on co-workers who might return from vacation. Copilot can also be summoned throughout Microsoft Office app, also be used in Word to draft documents based on other files. The AI-generated text can be used freely for editing and adapting. As Copilot is essentially a chatbot, you can even ask it to create 10-slide PowerPoint presentation based on a work document or analyze or format Excel data. In Microsoft Teams, the Copilot feature can transcribe meeting, remind you of things you might have missed in case you joined late, or even summarize action items throughout the meeting. Copilot will also exist in Outlook, so you can spend less time deleting emails and responding. Email threads can be summarized, and Copilot can even create draft responses with Doodle to adopt the tone or length of the email. Microsoft is also planning to launch a business chat feature that works across all Microsoft 365 data and apps. It uses the Microsoft Graphs to bring together documents, presentation, email, notes, and contact into a single chat interface in Microsoft Teams that can generate summaries, plan overview, and more. Microsoft says they are testing its Microsoft 365 Copilot with 20 customers right now and will be expanding the preview in coming months. They will share more about the pricing and details in coming months. While Microsoft is certainly moving quickly with its AI-powered vision for Office app, there will certainly be concerns around the speed of innovation and accuracy of its AI model, particularly when Microsoft 365 users may be using them with business data in the months ahead. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned. Bye bye.